vlog will be the different vlog. It will not be a motor vlogging vlog. It will be what you can say. It will be a cleanup vlog, you can say. Like as you know, I went to the Lavasa. Many things were meshed. For example, helmet, jacket, bike, and all my stuff. So all things I have to clean and keep in the place. So I have some list on my phone that I'll show you right now. So these are things I have to do for today. Hey, so this is my first work, washing my bike, taking my camera bag and this thing. So I have to wash my bike and for that I have to go 4 stairs down. एक हाथ में कैमरा पकड़ के and एक हाथ में ये बाल्टी पकड़ के. Okay, so let me show you ki how dirty is my bike. If you can see, okay, so the first part of making the bike clean is like उसके ऊपर से जो भी धूल है वो निकाल दो. Then उसके बाद we'll touch the water and we'll pour water on it. So this is a mug and in it I have some water with shampoo. I mix water and shampoo and this is foam. Fast track का foam सच में काम आया. Okay, so this is the another day. Obviously the work is not possible in a single day, so the thing is like I have decided one thing is like to do the work in the another day. So this is the another day and I have changed my location because the thing is like I had a noise problem, so I decided one thing to do is like to go to my aunt's house and just shoot a video there, which is very peaceful place to do your work. So I have to wash my helmet and as well as jacket. So let's get back to the work. Okay, so this is my helmet. I'm using LS2 rookie one. So if you can see, helmet की पूरी वाट लग गई है. You can see the visor is not clear. This thing. These all things. So this thing I have to wash, which I'll do, and I'll use a coolant to do. So if you want to wash your helmet, use this. So the helmet work has been done and we are moving towards the jacket. So this is third day and I have done all the works. So the thing is like I have washed my jacket, I have washed my helmet, paddings and all things. Study तो मैंने सब कर लिया है. So the another thing is like I was busy in New Year 31st and also video and system भी crash हो गया था. नहीं तो video 1st Jan को ही upload हो जाता था. But system crash होने की वजह से I would go somewhere edit किया and बाद में I did whole stuff and now I'm uploading the video and all. So ये सब बात की बात है. So happy new year to all of you. Enjoy the year 2018. I hope the 2018 will be good for you. Enjoy, as I always say, wear a helmet while riding and enjoy.